In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use an egg to return every evil back to sender. I call this back to sender work. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. Like this video, share this video, and also follow my page. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, it's all about spirituality. As we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's ancestors, also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural root, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If this is your first time of joining us or coming in contact of this face, you are highly welcome. Whatsoever that is your problem that made you to come in contact of my face, my God will solve that problem for you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, I have come with another power pack information that will help you to return every evil that has been done against you back to the sender. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. Please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe and follow my page. If you notice that somebody has taken your name to anywhere and you are noticing negative energies in your life, or God has showed you, a lot of us used to see, but we don't understand. God used to show a lot of us things in the dream, but we don't understand. If you notice that somebody has taken your name to any deities, or somebody has taken your name to any shrine, and through that they have been manipulating you, I want you to do this. Go and get me organic egg or native egg. If you want to return every evil back to the person, go and get me egg. Anyone that is available to you is going to work. For those of you who are in diaspora, I know you cannot find native egg. Look what you are going to do when you get the egg. Use the egg. Starting from your head to your toes, you will be praying. Owners of evil load, carry their load. Every evil that has been done against me, anywhere my name has been mentioned for any evil, I use this egg to return it back to sender. You use the egg to cleanse your body from your hairs to your toes. When you finish cleansing your body from your head to your toes, look for a red marker and write, back to sender, to my enemies. Every evil that your enemies has done, write it on a red marker on this egg. Write back to sender. You know what you are going to do for me? Look for 21 pieces of sea salt. And if you cannot find sea salt, get me 1 spoon of table salt. Go and make a contact with the ground. Dig a soil or the ground. Put this egg in it. Then add that 21 pieces of salt inside there, or one spoon of salt. Then cover the sand. I am giving you 21 days. Every evil that has been done against you will return back to sender. You see that negativities that has been bringing setbackwardness, leaking pocket, rising and falling, misfortune. That power that has been siphoning your money through your enemies, go and bury this egg for 21 days. After using the egg to cleanse your body from your head to your toes, you cannot cleanse from toes to the head. Then after that, look for 21 pieces of salt. Dig a ground, add this egg to it, pour 21 pieces. Or you pour 1 spoon of salt, cooking salt to it. Close the soil and be listening to what will happen. Every evil that they have done against you will return back to sender. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. For you, all my fans that has been watching me, those of you that has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those of you that has been calling me, testifying what God is using me to do on here, those of you that has been sowing a seed in my life, my father's ancestors, may the universe and God in heaven keep blessing you. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, and on this channel is all about spirituality, and we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it all over the world. It has been from one testimony to the other. Our spiritual materials helps you to fasten up your deliverance. If you place an order for any of our spiritual materials within the interval of 4 to 5 days, Your order will get to your doorstep. We ship all part of the whole world: Europe, Asia, America, South America, Canada, Australia, Germany, Holland, UK, Belgium, Turkey, all over Africa with DHL, EMS, UPS, and FedEx. Within the interval of 4 to 5 days, your order will get to your doorstep. We have the course-breaking soap. We have the road-opening soap. We have the back-to-sender soap. We have the Stop Evil soap. We have the Harm Me Not soap. We have the Love and Attraction soap. We have the Mercy and Favor soap. We have the Spiritual Cleansing Bath Detox. Then we have the Equal Spiritual Detox. Equal Spiritual Detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. Are you suffering from moving object? Is that anything crawling inside your body? You are having itches and rashes and burning inside your body. You have been to the doctors, they diagnose it, you don't have HIV, you don't have any infection, but you are dying slowly. Is this something that you have eaten in the dream? Is it a manipulation that is causing depression to your life? Brother Chima has the antidote to your problem. It is called Equal Spiritual Detox, anti-witchcraft moving object remover. This product is tested and trusted. I can beat up my chest 10 times to tell you that this product is tested and trusted. If you take this product within the interval of 4 days of taking it, you are going to come back on this channel to give a testimony. My number is +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. You can communicate with me on WhatsApp, as I am open to communication. We also help people to solve their spiritual problem. We do reading and consultation on this channel. But remember, if you want me to help you to solve your spiritual problem, nothing is free, even in free time. God bless you for coming up here to watch my video. Please go and try this out and come back here with your testimony. May my father's ancestors, may the universe always guide and protect you. He say...